Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. When you go traveling or go to a workplace and you forget to bring a water bottle and you have to buy a plastic water bottle, what would you do after you finish it? Some of you might throw it away immediately after finish it. Some of you might keep it and reuse it for 3 or 4 days. It might not look good enough to reuse it again. So either way, it would end up throw away. So imagine a world where trash isn't trash, but a treasure, where like the resources are cherished, not discarded. This is the power of green innovation. It's a key of unlocking the solution of our economic crisis. So I will divide my speech into 3 main parts, which are problem, solution, and action. Let's start with problem. Today we are trapped with take, make, waste model. We extract resources, we create products, and we discard them as a waste. For example, as I mentioned earlier about the plastic water bottle, the water bottle is made from oil, so it's a take. It's filled with water, it's a make. And then we discard them as a waste. So this is a take, make, waste model. We use it once and then we toss them. For example, and according to research from Asia Food Beverage, in Thailand, we generate food waste up to 17 million tons per year. This huge amount can feed millions of people who are hungry, who are starving to death. So this is not just an environmental burden, it's a massive missed economic opportunity. Moving on to a solution, a transformative solution, which is circularity. Let's reimagine where trash not as waste not as trash, but resources which waiting to be reborn. For example, an innovative startup called Scholar of Resonance, they rescue a surplus food from restaurants and redistribute it to communities in need. Imagine a small area in Thailand where they have many poor people who are starving to death. Instead of just throwing a surplus food away, giving it to them would be very beneficial. A surplus food is not just a leftover from someone. It's an availability of food that exceeds the demand of consumers. So this is not just a waste reduction. It's creating new jobs, new industries, and sustainable system. Right now, we have problem, we have solution. Moving on to the last point, which is action. Everybody can start right here, right now. Every small change of everyone can have a huge impact of our community. For example, thinking about your morning routine. After you wake up, you brush your teeth, you take a shower, and then you would like to have a coffee and pack a lunch. Choosing a reusable coffee mug instead of disposable cup. Packing your lunch with a cloth bag instead of plastic wrap. These are like the small change where everyone can start right away. But small change of individuals might not be enough to create a huge impact of our community. You can support a business which can have a power to transform our community. Like it can lead to transform communities where a local market is buzzing with reusable containers, recycling program reaching every household. So let's support individual actions and businesses to lead the way to the impact of our community. In conclusion, green innovation in waste management is not just a feel-good trend, it's an economic imperative. So let's transform a mountain of trash into a springboard of economic recovery, leading to an environmental sustainability. So I would encourage everyone to write a chapter where trash become not a burden, but a catalyst for brighter and greener future. Thank you.